Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Okey, dalam video kali ini saya nak share pasal one of the trade coming from the earlier video on order strategy by pending order, buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, sell limit. And this was on silver lah, yeah. So yesterday, hari Selasa 18 hari bulan, bila kita change, we put another buy limit dekat I think 1750. It's almost get triggered. Kalau you tengok was 1750 there, 1750 kita punya buy limit. And then the lowest bar yesterday was 1751. So kalau that's why kita punya, but dia based on, and then 50 kan memang tak trigger lah, but since we are buying, it's gonna be on the asking price lah, ask. So kalau you tengok dekat sini, you boleh nampak lah dia punya spread dekat sini, 642, 645. So lebih kurang dalam berapa tu 4 sen lah. But you tolak lah lebih kurang macam tu. So 53 minus 42 is about 11 sen macam tu okay, so anyway, that's why dia tak trigger. So another thing that I want to share is bila kita letak pending order key levels like major psychology 00, minor psychology 50, 20 and 80 level. So these are the key level dalam trading 00, 20, 50, 80 dan come back to 00 lah. So dalam case ni kita letak dekat minor psycho 1750 kan. So 1750 better kalau kita letak apa tu, kita letak kat bending order, letak dekat 1755, 56 macam tu lah. So I would rather put if we are using another rules on numbers, we should put 56 lah. 55 is okay also, but if we're using rule based numbers, then we put 56 because 6 is bigger than 5. So anyway, so that's another rule lah kalau you gunakan number, line and number punya trading technologies, because this one old technology lah, masa tak ada indicator kan. So these are the technology that people use back then, based on closing price. So that's one tips that I want to share with you. So now looking at this chart, what do we expect next? Bila maybe we need to refer to the earlier video on this trade silver, because when I look at look again at the weekly chart, okay, it probably wasn't an attractive buy, given the fact that technically they are close below this line, and then this line also breach. Yeah, that was a breakout lah. They breakout macam tu, and then they retrace back kan. They retrace, this is weekly, they retrace, and then we expect it to push to the upside lah after the breakout kan. But now looking at the line, they're close below that, below this 61.8, and then close below this resistance line ataupun breakout line ni. So kalau katakan dia close above this red line, then quite possible lah kita akan push to the upside. Even then, kalau kita tengok dari segi sini, tengok di sini banyak resistance, unless kalau dia dah dekat sini, then we have a higher headroom to move. Okay, and when we look at the daily, ya, dia pun dah close below this uptrend line, dia close below sini. And then on the 4 hour, okay, on the 4 hour kalau kita tengok pun macam bearish flag. So that's the downward thrust, and then this one is more like a bearish flag. So looking at the technical side right now, it's not so encouraging to go long lah. Okay, but before, because the fundamental of this was a weaker, is a weaker US dollar. Okay, and also a demand of safe haven. Why weaker US dollar? Because they have been battling about the interest rate lah, sama ada interest rate akan naik. So this debacle going back and forth is forcing market to find safe haven untuk invest, and one of the safe haven, the cheapest other than gold, is silver lah. And then right now silver gold silver ratio pun is at a very attractive level, so maybe it's a good time to switch to silver lah rather than gold. So based on the fact, that's why we had this buy earlier. So maybe we need to take a look at the earlier video. So maybe what I'm thinking right now, just to confirm, another indicator, another thing to confirm is to take a look at the overbought and oversold. So let's take a look at that. Let's put indicator ni on the 4 hour and see into the overbought. So we are looking possibly to the downside on the 4 hour, and then on the weekly, let's put the marker. You nak gunakan indikator lain pun boleh juga, no problem, asalkan dia overbought oversold lah. Some people use momentum itu kan, boleh juga, no problem, whichever that you like. Okay. So kalau kita tengok dekat overbought and oversold indicator ni based from weekly, daily and 4 hour. So daily looks like it's gonna be coming out, because looks like it's gonna be coming out dekat sini kan, but right now it's staying below the 30 level, 0.3. So based on daily dan weekly, nampak is already oversold, so there is a potential to buy. Okay, so right now based on the 4 hour, dekat ni dia dah overbought, so this obviously is not a good level to buy lah. So if say price retrace back to this level, dia akan turun, and then maybe is another opportunity to buy lah, atau maybe we change this buy limit 17.55. Okay, I think that's pretty much about it. So I think what I want to do, so you see how we can use different tools, different tool with indicator to make a better decision. So dalam case ni, I think what I'm gonna do is to cancel this buy stop. Okay, and then I'm going to change this buy limit to 17.56. Okay, so I'm gonna modify that there, and then see how lah on the stop loss. I think it should be there. See how things gonna go on the 4 hour there. Kalau kita nak maintain kat situ pun boleh jugalah, but you know, based on the rule, I would say we move the buy limit pending order to 17.56 lah. Okay, quite a challenge there also that you see, and if it's managed to close above, then above this trend line, most likely we're gonna see an upside lah. Even then, maybe not as high as we had expected earlier, dekat level 80-90 kan. So possibly we're gonna be looking somewhere around there lah, ataupun kalau kita tarik Fibonacci ni from that low to that low, that high to this low, and possibly around somewhere around here, 1850 level 50 level. That's where our target. We expect sellers gonna come in at that level lah. Okay, so I think that's pretty much for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope it can help you make a better trading decision. Alright, till next time, Assalamualaikum and thank you for watching.